1 Goldwood Sound GW-1038 butyl rubber surround 10 woofer, 130 watts RMS and 250 watts max, 29 to 6000 Hz frequency response, 90 decibels SPL, 8 ohm. 1.5 aluminum voice coil, 30 ounces magnet with bumper plate and vented pole piece, poly mica cone with butyl rubber surround. Steel stamped frame, overall size is 10, fits enclosure hole size of 9.25, mounting depth is 4.125, designed and engineered in the USA. Use for Pro DJ speakers, Pro PA speakers, Pro karaoke speakers, live sound speakers, fixed installation speakers, studio monitors and home audio speakers. This listing and price is for 1 Goldwood GW-1038 Pro audio woofer. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. Great speaker and great people. They are very nice and willing to help by phone. The value is great. I do not know why, but both my speakers for my 2 subwoofers in my home theater failed. These were excellent replacements. I would highly recommend these people. As for sound quality, when it comes to subwoofers, it really doesn't matter. Boom boom is all subwoofer does, in my opinion.